So if tan theta plus sine theta is equals to m and tan theta minus sine theta is equals to n, then m square minus n square is equals to question mark. Who can solve this question?
MN. Sir,
Huh?
it's
4.
C, option C.
How you have solved, Praharshan?
Sir, just substitute the values and you can easily get it.
Acha, here we should substitute the value like this in this one, right?
Yes.
So tan theta, all of you on the camera, I cannot see anybody here. So tan theta plus sine theta whole square. Sine theta whole square minus tan theta minus sine theta whole square. So you know all these children, right? What do you need to do? Tan square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 sine tan theta sine theta. And again minus tan square theta plus sine square theta minus 2 tan theta sine theta. Then here is minus. So tan square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 tan theta sine theta.
Sir, I got the value as 4 root mn.
Okay. Theta minus sine square theta plus 2 tan theta sine theta. So here which all part will getting cancelled? Tan, sine, tan, sine. So how to get 4 tan theta sine theta, right?
Yes.
Now what we can do for 4 tan theta sine theta? How 4 root mn has come? So to multiply here. M into n. What is m into n? Tan square theta minus sine square theta. How we are getting m into n? Tell me, Praharshan.
Sir, I got 4 earlier, sir, and I got tan theta and sine theta. I just wrote option C, which was only one, which was more related to this.
Achha, more related. Okay. This 4 and that's why this 4. How mn is coming?
Sir, just multiply both of them, you'll get tan squared theta plus sine squared theta.
So that is mn.
Wait, sir, let me check.
Yeah, you tell me, Samarth, how you have done root mn?
Yes, sir. So here, sir, let's substitute the value.
Wait, how many have joined till now? You can't on the camera, Chile. I should tell everyone to on the camera all the time. Tell Samarth.
Yeah. So here we can put the we can take the value of tan theta as m minus sine theta.
What? Tell once again.
If we take sine theta to the other side,
in
place of m, so we'll get tan theta equals to m minus sine theta.
Tan theta is equal to m minus sine theta. Okay.
Then let's substitute the value here at the place of tan theta.
So here you substitute. Okay. The m minus sine theta is coming now here.
Yeah.
Again sine theta.
Yeah.
Then how you can get?
Yeah. Okay. For getting n, here we can put substitute that tan sine theta equals to tan theta minus n. Sin theta equals to tan theta minus n. So to take the value of m and n, we have to put that value here.
Achha, here also you should put.
Yeah.
Like you are saying that ki tan theta, sine theta, right? Sine theta is equal to tan theta minus n, right? This you are saying?
Yes, sir.
After this, what do you do?
Sir, we can just multiply it.
If you multiply, you'll get 4 m tan theta Okay, minus mn, then minus sine theta tan theta. What you are getting here? Plus n sine theta. What you will get from here? Root mn. How do you get root mn over here?
Yeah.
So it will get
Here means
complicated if you go further from the 4 tan and sine.
So it's not coming like this. What do you do? Miss, you mean to say this 4 is coming? That's why directly you should put tick in the exam time, right?
no,
Sir,
sir.
it works in every other ones.
it, it works. It works. That's why you do off.
That's what, sir. If it works, we do it. If it doesn't work, we leave it.
Acha. But it's not for long term. This is for short term only. What you are doing, if 4 is coming, 4 you tick off and come. Not like that.
But sir, the answer we look at it.
Answer will be that also I also know this root 4 root mn, right? You should not know how mn is coming over here. Rasool. Rasool,
Yes.
how to do this question? Say.
Sir, I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Then what to do? M square minus n square, right?
Sir, which page is it in? Let me check. I must have done the process right.
Okay. Page number you want of this one worksheet?
Yeah.
Page number is chapter 6, page number 121.
All right.
See 4 tan theta sin theta we are getting, right? So see after this what we can do, just convert. See I told you in the when I was teaching trigonometry, I told you that whatever you are getting over here, no, just convert into sine and cos form, right? Sine and cos form. I told you when I was teaching to you children. Did you remember?
Yes.
So for this one, for tan theta, what we can write? We can write sine theta by cos theta. And this is again sine theta only. Okay. But here root is coming, means what we can do here? If you're squaring everything, 1 minute. So after this, what we can do here?
Get 4 minus 4 cos.
4 into sine square theta is coming here and divide by cos theta, correct?
So 1 minus cos squared theta. That
Then
will cos cut will be happening. 4 and cos. 4 minus 4 cos, which won't leave us any.
Sine theta become like this. So 4 into, or better we can do like this also. If you take root here, the here square will come, here also a square will come, and here also a square will come, right? So what we can write here, this becomes, see, this becomes sine square theta as it is, you write, and this will convert into 1 minus cos square theta, divide by cos square theta, and this will take root. Then after this, what we can do? 1 minus sine square, same again, what to do with this? Then what we can do now? So 4. So sine square theta, you multiply this cos theta is, you can write here like this. Sine square theta by cos square theta, and so tan square theta and sine square theta, right? 1 minute. What should come? M and n, right? The tan square theta minus sine square theta should come.
Sir, yeah, you are doing the same process.
Sine
Sir,
square
yeah.
tan square theta minus sine square theta we should do. So it came right, like, but it will come sine square theta. And again. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Mhm, mhm. Hmm. If you do in some other like this, suppose here I'm writing sine square theta, here divide here by cos square theta, or this become tan square theta. We should get tan square theta. How will you get? See, if you get tan square theta minus sine square theta, then it's become easy to us, because mn is equal to tan plus sine theta and tan minus sine theta, correct? So this becomes sine theta. We write like this, sine square theta, and here is sine square theta again by cos square theta. But here what will come? 1 minus cos square theta we can write.
Sir,
Say.
sir, here you wrote in first step you wrote sine square theta by cos square
Yeah,
theta
yeah, understood.
equals again.
It's coming same, right?
Yes, sir.
So sine and this is multiply the
Sir,
sine.
I
Oh,
got the solution.
okay,
Sir,
sine square theta and minus sine square
Sir, you are doing
theta
correct. Yeah.
cos square
It will
theta.
just be root over of sine square theta by cos square theta minus sine square theta.
How? What? Say once again. This is sine square
Sir,
theta.
after this step, that 4 into root over of sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta will get the value as sine square theta by cos square theta minus sine square theta. The root over into 4.
And this you are saying like this.
Yeah.
Like this you are saying.
Yeah.
So how it is coming like this?
How is this?
See, this is going to multiply with this, right? Completely. Sine is going to multiply with this complete part. See, sine is going to multiply with this 1 by cos theta. Again, sine is going to multiply with the same thing, right?
Yeah, that one.
So sine theta by cos theta and minus sine square theta.
Minus sine square theta. You will get. So you will get root over of tan square theta minus sine square theta.
So here
it will
children
be
will, what children will
Tan
not
theta
understand.
plus sine theta into tan theta minus sine theta. You will get the value.
Ah,
Theta minus.
so this is sine square theta, correct? So this is like here also cos square theta is there, and here also cos square theta is there. So don't confuse over here. Now sine theta is going to multiply with first part also, second part also. So 4 root over tan square theta minus sine square theta. Now this is the answer is 4 root mn. Okay. Next question is question number. Is it clear, Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
So next question is theta is between pi 0 and pi by 4. The simplest way, you just tell me for this. Simplest way. Praharshan, this is the last warning for you, okay? Now
Okay.
don't. 0 and pi by 4. Javian, what you're doing today? Full silent.
Sine theta minus cos theta.
You're just guessing. Harshan or telling?
Sir, I solved this.
Solved already.
Yes, sir.
When? Right now?
Yes, sir.
Tell how you have done. 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta.
Sir, I know the answer.
Answer you know. They told you solved.
Sir, like, I don't remember much. Why I did this.
Okay. Fine. All right. So 0 less than theta less than pi by 4. Then the simplest form of this is what? Question mark. Sin theta minus cos theta, cos theta.
The answer is cos theta minus sine theta.
This only.
rest of the process.
Praharshan,
Yeah.
for this also same thing. For you also same. B option.
Sir, I was confused between A or B. I just chose it.
You're confused. See,
Sir, I
with
mean, I
the,
knew there was sine and cos, and there was a minus sign in the middle, but I didn't know which side was sine and which side was cos.
that's why we should not remember this kind of question. You should solve all the time. If you know English, also you should solve. If you know this is sure answer, then also you should solve whether you're getting the same or not. See, we don't know this formula anyway, and sine theta we can't change into tan and cos. I just told you that sine and cos theta leave as it is. So instead of use the identity over here, instead of 1, what we can write? Sine square theta plus cos square theta we can write or not? Praharshan?
Yes.
And
Yes.
minus 2 sine theta cos theta is there. So this become one formula, right? This formula becomes,
Okay, so now I remembered how to do this one.
yeah, just give some pressure on your mind, then only you'll get improve. Okay, to see this one is become whole square like this. Sine square theta minus cos theta whole square. This only will come. So your answer is sine theta minus cos theta. How you got, Samarth? Other one?
Sir, just let me tell you the process.
Hmm.
Sir, here I am getting root over of sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta as you did. Then I get root over of cos theta minus sin theta whole square.
So cos theta minus sin theta whole square you are getting.
Yeah.
So this become cos
Sir,
square theta plus
sir,
sin.
because sir cos theta is greater than sin theta. That's why I did it.
They've given there.
Where?
Cos
No.
theta is sin greater than this one.
No. But it is given that pi by 4 value is 45 degrees. So 0, then theta is greater than 0 and less than 45 degrees. So for all the values less
For
than
this,
45 degrees.
this should not be negative, right? So we just check with any value. 30 degree would check. The sin
Yeah.
30 value is 1 by 2 and cos 30 value is what? Root 3 by
root
2.
3 by 2.
So which is greater among this?
1.
1 by
Sir, root 3 by 2 is greater, sir.
Root 3 by 2 is greater. This is smaller, no? See, 1 point something will get. 1.732 is there, and the root and 2 is this, no?
Sir, why
So,
did you?
yeah, this is base is same, so greater is this much. Yeah. So root 3 is greater. So we should take here. We cannot take this then, right? We have to take cos theta
Yes,
minus sin theta.
sir.
So this can be written as, this also can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Correct, children? So remember this. Cos square theta plus sin square theta you use, and your answer is what? Cos theta minus sin theta.
Sir, for that only that was given, right? 0 is
Yes,
less
because
than.
there are two options. If this is not given, so there are two options. If this is not given here, so what do you do? There both options are correct.
Both options, sir.
So like this we have to do. Next question number. So these are very important questions. Small things are there, but you have to remember. Okay. So now next question is 21st. Value they're asking, fx is equal to greater than or less than. Okay, who can solve this question? Just tell me who can solve this question.
sir, it's 1.
Okay.
Sir, it's greater than or equal to 2.
Greater than or equal to 2.
It has to be less.
Yeah.
Wait, sir, how is it 2?
Okay, this is actually this square fx is equals to what, right?
Yes.
Anyways, trying to get inside.
So, I mean, the theta value doesn't matter, right? If it's similar, so it has to be 1. Cos squared plus, oh, that's x squared. I thought that was
Which answer is correct? Samarth, you are saying which answer is correct over here?
Sir, as I have calculated, C option is correct.
C option.
Yeah.
Cos square x plus sin square, then fx is equal to what? So if
We can just add 2 and subtract 2 from the
Acha, add 2.
add 2 and then subtract 2.
Add 2 and subtract 2. What do we get from this?
From this, we will get that cos square x plus x square x minus 2 into cos x into sec x, because cos x into sec x equal to 1
Hey,
plus 2.
cosec into sec x is equal to 1. Okay.
Yeah, that's correct, right?
So what you should write here? Cos
Yeah,
x,
so
cos x plus sec x whole square, right?
minus, yeah, cos x plus sec x whole, minus sec x whole square, right?
Minus also you can write, or plus also you can write, your wish.
Yeah.
Correct? No, because here is plus 2 also is there, minus 2 also is there.
Yeah,
So this become whole square. After this, minus 2 you should
2
write. Plus 2 right,
Yeah.
right?
minus 2. Yeah,
Minus.
if you did minus, then there is plus. So,
Then
sir,
after this,
in next step, the square of any expression is always greater than or equal to 0. So fx is greater than or equal to,
the 2 is coming, right?
yeah.
And if you write here cos x plus sec x, if you write whole square, then you should write minus 2, right?
Yes.
So in this case, value will be plus 2, right? Plus 2 and minus 2. The greater than
Yeah.
is coming. How
Sir,
this will
greater
come?
than must come.
How this will come?
Sir, because uh, if cos x minus sec x whole square value is not 0, right?
Acha. Cannot
That's
0.
why it must be greater.
Acha, it must be greater.
Yeah.
So cannot be 0. So this part is coming, it's not there, right? Only plus 2 or greater than that, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
So whole square will be always positive, right? This will be always positive or 0. It's not never be negative, right? So whatever you are getting, that is your answer. Next question number is assertion reasoning is coming now. Assertion reasoning, that is 22nd question, 23rd. This value part is very easy. Nothing is there. Cot theta, then find the value of sine theta. So this question is very easy. 27th one question is very, very easy. Just see the children.
The 22nd or 27th?
See this, 27th.
Sorry.
This is the easiest question among all. Who is Kritika over here?
Value of A is 45, right?
So I'm new.
On your camera, children. On your camera, Kritika, Chanchal.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
I didn't knew only. Children has joined. Actually, I'm admit everyone. Anyone can join immediately. Like I didn't get to know. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir, I joined today, so may I know which worksheet is this?
It's not worksheet. This is the questions from one textbook, MCQ questions based on trigonometry. Okay,
So
Kritika.
which textbook?
This is a question bank kind of thing. It's not textbook. It's question bank kind of thing. Okay. I'll share.
Okay.
It's already shared in the group. You can just look into it if you want, or I can share you separately if you need.
Sir, I joined the group late, so I don't have it. Can you share me?
Acha, fine. You are there in the group, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine, all right. Chanchal, what do you have? What's going on? Chanchal? Chanchal, can you hear me?
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Tell me what happened. Last class you were absent. Why?
Sir, I had my pre-board, sir.
Acha. In night time you are having pre-boards. In 8
No,
o'clock.
sir, I had to prepare for the next exam. We had Hindi, so
Acha, Hindi is tough, very tough, no?
yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Then tell me what is the Paryavachi of Akash? So many, 5 Paryavachi you tell. Huh?
Ambar, Asman,
Asman or
Ambar.
Bar, Gagan. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by Anil?
I don't.
Anil is air, Hawa, you know, Hawa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, the words are quite complicated. So,
Chanchal, on your camera first.
1 second, sir. I'm on only.
Kritika, what happened to you? You just on the camera for a second and just switched off again. There are some rules. If you off your camera, we remove from the meeting itself. Or if you're really having the problem with your cameras, just message in the chat box. So Kritika, do you know the formulas, basic formulas of trigonometry? Do you know that?
Sir, I don't know even basics of trigonometry, sir. That's why I have problem with math.
Achha, only due to trigonometry or problem with math or other chapters also?
Trigonometry and alpha beta topic.
Alpha, beta, okay. Polynomials, right?
Yes,
Some
sir.
of the roots, product of the roots, all right. So see, one student has actually messaged me that I messaged in the group also. Okay, those who are having problem in trigonometry, they can join by 8:45. Did you see the message?
Yes, I saw that. Yes, sir.
And who told actually Teja or someone messaged me? Actually, that's why I put this one in the group. Someone asked he is having doubts, so much doubts in the group. That's why I just put one extra class for it. Okay, anyway, this is the basic concept. If I teach here, just tell me where you're not able to understand. Okay, Kritika? So see, first, anyone got the answer for this 27, children? Samarth, did you got the answer?
Yeah, yeah. It's 45 degrees only.
See, Kritika, what we have to do over here is, don't shake your mobile. Huh? Chanchal,
Yes, sir.
can you solve this question, Chanchal, 27th one?
Sir, I'll try, sir.
See, what is the basic concept behind this is tan A plus B. If tan will come this side, then we can cancel tan and tan. So tan A plus B is equals to tan, which value is root 3? Tan 60 value is root 3. Remember this. One concept I'm giving right now, first concept, tan 60 degree, if you do, that will get root 3. Okay. So now what we can write, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Can we write or not, Kritika? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So the second way, tan 30 value is, tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. So for the second equation, what we can write? Can you tell me, Kritika? For the second equation, what we can write over here? If you're having problem, not a problem. You tell wrong also, not a problem here. See, tan A plus B, I'll write as it is. Tan A minus B is equals to what we can write over here? Tell me. Tan 30 degree. This much is clear how I have written here. Because 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30. Now what we can write, A minus B is equals to 30 degree. So now we are having two equations here, first and second. Can you solve, children, all of you? Chanchal, can you solve this?
Sir,
So now what we can do, we can just add both the equations. So minus b and plus b will get cancelled. So 2a is equals to 90. So a is equals to 45 degree. All right. A is equals to 45 degree. Again, similarly, you can put the value of a in equation first. So we'll get 45 plus b is equals to 60. So b is equals to what? 15 degree. So which one is a 45 degree? They're asking value of a. If they ask b, we should write here b is equals to 15 degree. Is it clear? But here they're asking only a. So a answer is 45 degree. Is it clear to everyone? Chanchal. Chanchal,
Yes, sir.
let your camera be on only, okay?
Okay, sir.
What's problem with you?
Sir, it's turning on off its own.
Automatically.
Yes, sir. Sir, you know we have school from tomorrow.
Okay, then. So
Offline, sir.
it's offline.
Yes, sir.
Then you can
Full
enjoy.
day.
Then inside the
Full
school you
day
can enjoy.
school.
No, you'll roam, right? You'll roam whole
No,
school, no,
sir.
Chanchal?
No, sir.
Ah,
My class teacher will call my mom and complain that if I
Ach-
roam.
acha. But anyway, you used to roam over there, right?
Sir, before I used to roam, but now I shouldn't be doing that.
The class 10th, no, that's why it's so serious, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, if you are so serious, then tell me about 28th sum. Tell. The value of sine square theta plus 1 divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to what? Question mark. So I told you one concept that everything we should convert into sine and cos form. So everything means sine square theta, right, as it is. And plus 1 divided by, see, 1 plus. Those who don't know ABC of trigonometry, for them tan theta is equals to, we can write sine theta by cos theta, okay? So instead of tan theta, we should write here sine
Sir, is the
square.
answer 1?
Let me check. I don't know. Let me solve here.
Alright.
So sine square theta plus, now we'll write here sine square theta plus 1 divided by cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by cos theta. So this will go up, right?
Divided by cos square theta, sir.
Yeah. So this will go up. So this become, and one more thing, this is the identity over here. So value of this identity is 1. Okay. So this cos theta will go up. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. The answer is 1 over here. So wherever you are having doubt, which step also you can ask. Okay, Kritika, if you're not understanding any steps, you just ask first step, second step, or third step. Any step, if you're having doubt, you can ask. Okay. Just go through it. If you're having doubt, Chanchal is clear to you? Rasul, Adarsh.
Sir, explain from second step.
Okay. The second step is like 6th standard sum. Okay. Second step is like 6th standard. You know what? Why it is so? Because we just taken the LCM here, cos square theta. So numerator part will be here. 1 is hidden over here. So what we can write, Adarsh? Cos square theta plus sine square theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, one more step I'm adding over here. Sine square theta plus, here is division over here. The 1 divided by is here. Divided by, if you want to write in multiplication form, so what will come, Adarsh? Multiply if you want to write.
Theta by cos square theta plus sine square theta.
Cos square theta plus sine square theta. So now you can understand so why it is coming sine square theta plus cos square theta now, correct?
Yes.
Because 1 into cos square theta is cos square theta only, and divide by 1. This value is 1 over here. Chanchal? I don't know what this Javian is today. I don't know what happened to Javian today. Not speaking also. Chanchal, I'm removing from the meeting to you.
Sir, I'm here only, sir.
You are here, I know. On your camera, they will remove from the meeting.
Sir, I'm trying, sir. 1 second, I'll change network connection.
Okay, you are having 4-5 networks. Hmm. Chanchal,
No, sir. Mobile data and Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is better no? Keep on Wi-Fi only.
Sir, but I'm sitting in such a place that Wi-Fi range is so slow.
Go near Wi-Fi.
Okay, sir.
And every day you sit there only. Don't move from there, okay? In my class especially.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see the other question. The value of 1 plus tan square theta. You on the camera first. Wi-Fi is there wherever it is. Not a problem. On the camera. Your voice is coming so clear. No problem at all with the network today. I know that.
1 minute, sir.
Javian. Now see here also I'm changing here 1 plus tan square theta. Right now you have learned that tan theta we can write it as sine theta divided by cos theta. So 1 plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta, and then in bracket 1 minus sine square theta. Can we write like this?
Sir, better convert it into sec and just solve it.
Sir, is
Sim-
the answer 1, sir?
Acha, sec square theta you're saying?
sir, like you can directly get 1 from there.
Yeah, fine.
Sir, no
Okay.
need, sir. Sir,
All
that
right.
was also correct, right?
Everything
1
is
minus
correct.
sin
No.
square theta equals to cos square theta.
Yeah,
Here
fine.
in the denominator you will get.
This is also fine. One identity is there, Kritika. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Okay. And sec square theta into cos square theta, that is equals to 1. Why? Because sec square theta is reciprocal of cos square theta. You just remember all these things, Kritika. When I'm just teaching after 8:45, you'll get understand all these things, how it is coming off. Okay. So this is your RHS. You got the answer for this. The answer is 1 over here. So Adarsh, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Rasul, this is for like Bachu sum for you, right? Rasul? This like small sums, no? Small kid sum for you, right? Next question, I'll search some harder question. That is better. Achha, this one you do. How to solve this question? Everyone know the answer, but how to find this? Question number 30th. See question number 30th.
Sir, I like to multiply everything in this.
Everything you have to multiply.
That's what I always do.
Okay, means 1 with everything, then tan A with everything, and sec A with everything, like that.
Yes, sir. And just cut off the most of them and we get 2 tan A.
We can do other way also, like this is 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan is matching over here, and ck and ck. So A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula, Kritika? A plus B into A minus B. Formula, do you know? Kritika, do you know the formulas? A plus B into A minus
Sir,
B.
is the answer 2 tan A?
2 tan A, okay.
Yeah.
So answer is A square plus B minus B square is the formula for this. So we can write it as 1 plus tan A whole square and minus sec square A. So we can write here 1 plus tan square A plus 2 sec A, sorry, 2 tan A minus sec square A. This is your identity, sec square A minus sec square, tan square A minus sec square A, right? Is the formula? No.
Sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1. So we should just add minus 1.
2 tan A. So 1 plus tan square A, you know, this is sec square A.
But
Sec square A plus 2 tan A minus sec square
minus
A. So sec square A and sec square will get cancelled. The answer is 2 tan A. Is it clear to everyone? So
yes.
small things are there to remember. Just try to understand the concept. Next question is 31st. If tan A is equal to cot B, what is the value of A plus B? Tan A is equals to cot B. What is the value of A plus B?
90.
19. 19.
Wait
90.
1 second.
Sir, A, sir. A is the answer.
Yes.
A only, right? 90. So tan A is equals to, we can write tan 90 minus B. Correct. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, right? So A is equals
Yes.
to 90 plus B, 90 minus B. So A plus B is equals to 90 degree. The option A is correct option. Okay. This is the sum of complementary angles. You know that tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. You know, no, Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So tan A is equals to tan 90 minus B. So A is equals to 90 minus B, and tan A plus B is equals to 90 degree. I think it's clear to everyone. All right. Next, Praharshan.
Yes.
So next question is question number 32nd. X is equals to 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta, and y is equals to 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta. Then x square plus y square is equals to what? Then x square plus y square is equals to what? So simply you get squaring x, you got 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. Just square it. So what do you get? X square is equals to
Sir, is it 7?
7. Okay, let me check. You have solved completely, Praharshan?
Sir, like half of it.
Wow. Try to finish completely. Starting you be slower, no problem. In exam time you will be faster. Right now you become slower, no, Praharshan. Exam time you will be faster. Right now do slowly. If right now you do fast means exam time pakka slow you'll do. 100% just light it off. Slower in the
Lowest.
slower in the sense means I mean to say that understand the concept deeply. Okay. 100% you should be swear.
Oh,
You think that in exam time put 7 only? Is it the correct option? Because you are here, you can just tell without any tension because there is no marks over here, right?
yes.
Exam list, you should be like exam time. Exam time should be the same answer in that way. So see 3 sine theta plus cos the 4 cos theta whole square. So what do you get here? 9 sine square theta plus 4, 16 cos square theta, right? And plus what will get? 4 3s are 12, 24 sine theta cos theta. We'll get in this way only. And now y square, if you're finding here, y square is equals to 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta whole square. Okay. So what do you get here? 9 cos square theta plus 16 sine square theta and minus 24 sine theta cos theta. You see what is happening? This complete, if you add this will get cancelled, plus and minus. Then 9, 9, 18. 18 cos, sorry. See, 9 sine square theta and 16 sine square theta become 25 sine square theta. And plus 25 cos square theta. Now tell me, Praharshan, which is the correct answer? Praharshan?
25. Sir, I just got 25 at the end.
Yeah. The sine
Yes,
square theta
25,
plus
sir.
cos square theta, the answer is 25. Okay. Is it clear, Chanchal?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question you should be answer me, okay? For 30 seconds, you have to tell me how to do.
Okay, sir.
On your camera first, so that you cannot see the formulas at least. Chanchal, what to do with you if I remove? Don't again message in the Chanakya tutorial that sir has removed me. Okay. If your camera is off, I'll remove you.
Sir, I want, sir.
Tell me, sin 60 value. Sin 60 value. Nice preparation, Chanchal. 2 into tan 45. अरे कुछ तो बोलो. Tan 45 also goal. Cos square 30 degree. Cos 30.
1.
1.
Yes.
So now whole this part will get cancelled. So your answer is what?
-2.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Chanchal, remember, revise. I don't know how much you are reading at home. Revise. Once again, make one notebook of formula, okay? All trigonometry formula you write and revise every day if you're forgetting. Now, next question is sin theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Then
Sir,
cos,
the answer is 1, sir. I'm 100% sure on this.
I'm also 100% sure only. I'm also 100% sure that answer is 1. How it is 1? Tell me now.
Sir, sin theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1.
Okay.
Cos square theta plus cos 4 theta, we can take square common in this.
X square common. How?
Where the 2 common over there.
We can
And
take
have,
X square theta common we can take, right?
yes.
So 1 plus cos square theta will come.
So
Correct.
sin,
One thing you do know here, don't do this one first. First from here what you can write? Sin theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta, correct? So instead of sin theta, you can write here
cos.
cos square theta. So sin square theta equal cos square theta. Now what we can write from here? Cos square theta common and 1 plus what we can write? Cos square theta, correct? So cos theta, cos square theta we can write sin theta, and 1 plus cos square theta, what we can write? Sin theta again. How we are getting 1?
The sin square theta.
Cos square theta is 1 plus cos square theta, cos square theta. Here only you can do no. Cos theta is sin theta and plus sin square theta. Here only you're getting 1, right? Because see, cos square theta you can write sin theta, and cos to the power 4 theta you can write sin square theta, right? So this is the answer for this. Answer is 1. All right. Next question is question number 35th. In triangle ABC, cos B plus C by 2 will be equal to what? In triangle ABC, cos B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2 means what we can write? This is your second last NCERT question is there, right? Did you remember that?
Yeah.
So in triangle ABC, B plus C by 2.
Sin A by 2.
Sin A by 2.
Sorry, cos A by 2.
Cos A by 2. Okay. Okay. So see, this is like complementary one. If triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. That we know that. Rasul, what is the answer for this? Rasul? So B plus
sin A by 2.
Okay, so you are dividing by 2 both sides. So what we get? A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 90. So B plus C by 2 is equal to
sin A by 2, right? It's sin A by 2.
So cos B plus C by 2 is equals to cos 90 minus A by 2 is sin A by 2. It's correct. So cos this much is equal to what? Here also put cos So cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So sin A by 2. So this is a question from the textbook only. Next question is, if sec theta into sin theta is equals to 0, then value of theta will be what? If sec theta into sin theta is equals to 0,
Sir, infinity.
hmm,
Infinity.
infinity.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, it's 0 degrees.
0 degree.
Yeah.
Okay. How? See, sec theta
Sir,
is sin
because
theta.
anything into 0 will be 0.
See, 1 by cos theta into sin theta is equals to 0. So sin theta is equals to what? 0 degree.
0 only.
So sin theta is equals to what? Sin 0 degree, no?
Yes.
So theta is equals to
Theta
what?
equals to 0 degree.
But says cos, 90, right?
Cos 90.
Sir, I didn't get this.
This you didn't guess this. See what I have done. Sec theta is just converted into 1 by cos. Then 1 by cos, if you take this one, this becomes 0 only, no? Praharshan.
Okay, sir.
So sin theta becomes 0. So theta is equals to what? Sin 0. So we are not writing cos only.
Oh,
But if you do cos theta here, cos theta, it will not come only now. Cos theta will not come, right?
and you can turn it into tan and tan 0, 0 equals to 0.
Then also you can get, yeah. So tan theta is equal to 0. So this is theta is equal to again 0. Next question is, this is complementary angle sum, is very easy sum actually. Right now 2043, you should tell about 44. 2044, you should tell me the answer for this.
Sir, 10.
10.
10. 10, sir.
10,
Yes,
okay.
20, sir.
20, okay. Anybody else? Tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a is equals to a plus 60. What is answer, Rasool?
So D.
So D is the correct answer. Okay. So 90 minus 2a, if you do 90 minus 2a is equals to a plus 60. If you solve a, you'll get 10 degree. All right.
Okay.
Next is 38th one, that is tan 3x plus 30 degrees equals to 1. Then value of x will be what? Tell me, who can say me?
5.
5.
Tan 45 equals to 1. So 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 30, 45.
Yeah, it will be 5, sir.
It's clear to everyone what I've done here?
Yes.
So who else is there? Kritika? Are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
You are understanding anything over here? Or completely blank, Kritika?
A little bit I'm understanding, not properly.
Acha. Okay. So children, this is the last question of the today for 39th one. And who wants trigonometry extra class? You can leave here itself after 8:45. Okay. Hemant not joined. He only told me to take extra class. So see children, here we can write what happens to value of cos theta when theta
Sir,
increases.
cos theta decreases from 1 to 0.
Okay. Cos theta increases or decreases?
Sir, it
Decreases.
decreases, sir. A1.
A option, right? Because cos 0 value will be 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. So it's keep on decreasing. That's why cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. So how so many questions are there in this? Your homework will be finished till 75 you can do. Till 75 is your
Yes.
homework. 41 to 75. Homework. I'm writing here only dated. I will also write dated 1910 21. Okay. And you have to submit in the group. I have not told till now to everyone. You have to submit what you have done. Okay, Praharshan, take your own time and you can just do this homeworks.
Okay.
Now, if anyone want to leave, you can leave for the day. Now we'll start the basic concept from starting, like sine theta
Thank you, sir.
values. Thank you.
Thank you.
So those who want to do, they can stay. We'll start from basics.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Adarsh.
I want extra class.
Okay. I'll just call Hemant once, whether he can come or not. On your camera, Adarsh. So see, we are going from just starting from this. Okay. And let me stop this first.